Hello guys, today we will discuss simple equation class 7 fourth chapter. In this equation, first of all, we will discuss the basic concept involved in this chapter. What are those basic concepts? Concept 1, an equation is a statement of equality. Equality means this simple between two algebraic expression. Second thing, what are LHS, what are RHS, and third one, unknown quantity will be considered as variable, and these variables are denoted by X, Y, Z, A, B, P, Q, etc. Any alphabet in a small letter you can consider as unknown and or variable. So first of all, we take one example. Suppose the sum of age of Ram and his father Ram is 10 years old, father is 40 years old. The sum of age of Ram and his father is 50 years. This is simple statement, and we will convert this statement into the equation of numbers. We can write this: Ram age is 10 plus, because question says sum, and his father is 40 years, therefore their sum is 50 years. This is an equation of numbers. Then, in this chapter, we will discuss equation in algebraic expression. Suppose in the same case, we don't know the Ram age. This statement can be written in another form. Ram's father is 4 times his age, or you can say 4 times Ram's age, and the sum of their ages is 50 years. In this statement, we don't know the Ram's age as well as his father's age. Any unknown quantity in a statement we can take as variable. Either it is X or Y, Z, any small letter of alphabet. Suppose we take Ram's age X years, then what is his father's age? His father's age 4 times Ram's age, therefore it will be 4x. Now we form an equation. Equation is look like sum of their age is 50. Ram says X year, his father is 4 years, and the sum of their age is 50 years. Consider this equation. This equation has number as well as unknown quantity. Unknown quantity is x. Therefore, this is an equation in algebraic expression form. In this chapter, we will take some more example in which we convert some statements into the equation. Example 1. A number increased by 5 equal to 16. Increased by 5 is equal to 16. In this statement, mathematical statement, a number, we don't know the number. Therefore, we will take any variable in place of the number. Let the number be x. Now we form the equation. This number increased by 5. That means x is the unknown number. I will increase it how much? 5. That means 5, and this become 16. This mathematical statement is converted into the equation. One more example. 4 times a number is 24. 4 times of a number is 24. In this situation, we don't know the number. Again, we will take this number by a variable. Suppose variable is y. So y is unknown number. So let y be the number. Then we will convert this statement into the equation. 4 times number, that means y is a unknown number, it's 4 times, that means 4y is equal to 24. One more example. A number multiply itself equal to 64. A number multiply by itself is equal to 64. Again, in this statement, number is not known. So consider the number. Consider the number B A. Now this number multiplied by itself, that means A into A is equal to 64. A into A, that means A square is equal to 64. Therefore, if mathematical statements are given, then we will convert them into the equation. We take some equation and convert it into the mathematical statement. Suppose an equation is here, x minus 6 is equal to 13. Now we are going to write this equation into the mathematical statement form. 6 subtracted from a number gives 13. This equation converted into the mathematical statement. Another example. X upon 3 is equal to 4. A number divided by 3, the resulting number is 4, like this. Hence, we convert mathematical statement into the equation and equation into the mathematical statement. That's all for today. Do your practice work which I am going to give you. Thank you.